Hey everybody, it's me, James the Man's Man, and welcome to our next episode of The Man's Kitchen. It is 40 degrees Celsius outside. For you guys in America, that's like 1,000 degrees in Fahrenheit. It is so hot right now that my igloo is melted. I had to move into a house. Okay, all kidding aside, it is way too hot to make anything real heavy right now. So today we're gonna make a salad. Now I know you don't make friends in salad, but we're gonna do it anyways. So our ingredients we have for today's salad, we've got some spring mix, and I like a lot of fruit on my salad. So we've got some grapes, oranges, apples, strawberries, and kiwis, tomatoes, and cucumbers. And we've got some chicken to go on the salad, and I'm gonna show you how to prep up the chicken right after this. And we're back. Please remember to follow us on Instagram, on Twitter, and on Facebook. Subscribe to this channel, hit the balloon so you get notifications, and give this video a thumbs up if you like what I'm making today. We're gonna start with our chicken breast. We're gonna cut it before we cook it. This is a French method called an émincé, which basically just means we're gonna cut it into a couple strips. Kind of like if you're making chicken fingers. So I'm going to cut this one into 5 pieces. I'm going to put it into my mixing bowl. I'm going to put a little bit of oil on it. And I like to use Tex-Mex when I cook most meats in a cast iron pan. Just mix that up. We're going to add some sunflower oil to our cast iron pan. Make sure it's mixed around in there. And we're just going to place these in there. When you're putting chicken in a pan, make sure you put it away from you in case any grease splatters. It's not going to come at you. Now the reason that we cut the chicken ahead of time is because it allows for greater surface area. So we were able to get more seasoning on it than if we hadn't cut it ahead of time. And it's also going to cook faster because it's smaller, and we don't have to worry about drying it out as much because it's going to cook quicker. So I'm going to wash my hands, and we're going to get to making that salad. Okay, while the chicken cooks in the back, I have my bowl of spring mix here. We're going to put some oil on it. Apple cider vinegar, and a little bit of salt, not too much. Give that a nice mix. Put that in our bowl. And then I love grapes on a salad. I know it might be a little weird. I love grapes. Put some grapes on there, some oranges. There's no rules for what fruit you're going to use. You're just going to use what you like or what you have in your fridge. You might not like what you have in your fridge, and if you do, you suck at doing groceries. You should buy stuff you like. But if you got a fridge full of stuff you like and you like some fruit, so I got some strawberries on there and some kiwis. Gonna put some cucumbers in here. I love loading my salads up with plenty of fruit like this, and some tomatoes. I like using sliced tomatoes. I don't really care for cherry tomatoes. I don't really know why. But now, my salad, and this is my dinner. I'm not sharing this. This isn't a bowl for everybody. This is mine. So I'm just going to grab my chicken. Should be ready by now. That's the nice thing about cutting the chicken so small, is that it's going to cook up nice and quick. I barely had enough time to get my salad put together, and that was with using everything pre-cut. Reach in here for a fork, and I eat salads like this probably 3 times a week at work because it's light, it's refreshing, And the chicken is so delicious. So if you like this salad, please give this video a like and share it with your friends. Come on back to the channel and watch some more videos when we post some more updates. Thanks and have a good day.